So we're open feeding some pollen supplement. We have a nice window of opportunity for this. The we got a break in the weather, and this will stimulate brood production and also the production of drones, which for our operation is very important. We basically have pollen supplement on trays underneath an old piece of roofing tin, and as you can see, the bees have been able to find it very readily and are having a great time collecting it. It's about 11:30 a.m. in the morning, so I'd say this is probably peak collection time. You can see some of the bees are coated in the substitute, and they just ball it up on their pollen baskets like they were collecting from a flower, and off they go back to the hive. There's Kelly. Well, hope you've enjoyed this tidbit of apiculture from VP Queen Bees. Have a good one.